will start set theory, especially for 11th class. First I will explain definition of set. Definition of set is a well-defined collection of objects is called set. Now I will explain how we will represent the set. Notation of set should be capital letter A, B, C. Suppose set A, and elements should be small letter. So this is set A. Suppose A, B, C, D. These all are elements. Elements mostly we will write small letters. And elements should be in set A. How we will represent? Small a belongs to capital. Means A is in the set capital A. So notation of set mostly we will represent by any capital letter, and by small letter we will represent elements. Now some more example. Suppose O. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, dash. This is also set. How? Here this is set of even number, and set of alphabet also we can represent. So notation of set is A, but representation of set is two types: roster form and builder form. Now I am explaining representation of the set. We can represent set two types. One is roster form, second is set builder form. Roster form or tabular form, both are same. Set builder form or rule method. Now I am giving example. Suppose example is A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U is vowel of English alphabet. Now this is in the roster form. This is roster form. And again we can represent this set, which mostly we can represent this any capital letter. Suppose again we want to represent this by the set builder form. How we will write down? X such that X is in the letter of English alphabet, means English vowel. Such that X is a vowel is set builder form. Builder form. One more example. Suppose set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is up to 5. This is natural number. This is the roster form. Again we can write down this is roster form. Now this also we can represent on the set builder form. How we will write down set builder form? X such that X is a natural number. Natural number. X is less than 6. Less than 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again this and these are same. This is roster form. This is builder form. Here again roster form, and this is builder form. I am explaining type of set. First is empty set. Empty set, what is? A set which does not contain any element is called. For example, what is example of empty set? See here. Means empty set means no element in the set. How? See, X such that X is an integer between 5 and 6. Here is no integer in 5 and 6. It means this is empty set. One more example. X such that X plus 5 equal to 0 is an Here is x is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 is not a natural number. Means this is also empty set. Like this we can give any example of empty set. Notation of empty set is 5. 5 means this. No elements. And now I am explaining singleton set. Singleton set means a set consists of single element is called singleton set. For example, any element may be 0, 3 and x such that x plus 1 and x belongs to integer. This is also a single element. X is equal to x plus 1 is equal to 0. When we will solve this, means x is equal to minus 1 and minus 1 is belongs to the integer. Means only one element is here. Finite set. A set which consists finite number of elements is called finite set. For example, which element we can count means 2, 4, 6, 8. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Is called finite set. And how we will represent this? Suppose A is equal to means n times of A is equal to 4. Is called finite set. And this is cardinal number. How many elements in this set is called cardinal number? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 element is in here. It means cardinal number of set A is 4. Now I am explaining infinite set. A set which consists infinite number of elements is called infinite set. For example, any natural number. Suppose n is equal to 1, 2 up to dash dash. 3, 4, any number we can write. Dash dash means up to infinite, any number. For example, one more is and even number. Even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, dash dash. This set of even number. Dash dash means up to infinite. Up to infinite means up to infinite many numbers will come here. And we cannot count this number. Is called infinite set. Equivalent set. Two finite sets A and B are equivalent if their coordinate number are same. For example, suppose A is equal to A, B, C and D. B is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Coordinate number of A is n times of A is equal to 4. Coordinate number of B is 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. It means these two sets are equivalent set. Equivalent set means coordinate number should be same. Element may be different. Now, equal set. If two sets A and B are said to be equal, if they have exactly same element. For example, A is equal to x such that x is letter of word follow F O double L O W and B x such that x is letter of word wall W O L F. Now, element of A is F O L and W. Because in the set we cannot write repeated word two times. So when we will manage this, we will write F O two times, but we will write one time. L two times, but we will write one time. And W. Now B. Wall W O L F. Here same element in set A and same element in set B. So is called equal set. Universal set. If there are some set under consideration, then there happens to be a set which is support of each of the given set. Such a set is known as universal set. How? For example, we have A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 6 and C is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. Then one set is U and mostly universal set represented by capital U or theta. So U should be contain all the element of all these three sets, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is universal set. Why? Because this all element is in the set of U. Subset. Subset means let A and B are two sets if every element of A is an element of B is called subset of B. How? And notation of subset: A is the subset of B means every element of A should in B. Suppose for example B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A is 2, 3 means element of A 2, 3 is in the set B is called A is the subset of B. Some important points for the subset. First is every set is the subset of itself. And one more is empty set is subset of itself. And third is the total number of subset of finite set containing an element is 2 to the power n. How? For example, suppose we have two elements 1 and 2. Means how many subsets should be there? Here is 2 element means 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 means 4. So we can find out by this 4 subset, which is 1, 2, 1, 2 and 5. These all 4 sets is subset of 1, 2.